Hello and welcome to this session on interview question series for VLSI industry. Here I am sharing the questions one by one which were asked during the interview of various industries. So let us start with new question. Find out the total beta of given circuit. Beta 1 is equals to beta 2 is equals to 50. Now here two transistor NPN transistors are given. So I can write this transistor as a T1 transistor, this transistor as a T2 transistor. So T1 transistor beta is given beta 1 and T2 transistor beta is given beta 2. Now IC is the total current flowing in both the transistors. Similarly, IB is also the total current going into the base of both the transistors. Now here I am assuming that in this transistor collector current is IC1. Similarly here I am assuming collector current is IC2. Now here IB is the total current. Here we can write that this is IB by 2. Similarly here also I can write this is IB by 2. IB is the total current. So base current across each transistor is IB by 2, IB by 2. Now we know one very standard relationship between collector and base current. IC is equals to beta times IB, and IB is the base current. Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding this relationship, you can write in comment section. I will give you the complete derivation of this equation. Okay, so by following this relationship, I can write the relationship between IC and IB of T1 transistor and T2 transistor. So I can write IC1 is equals to, this is IC1. IC1 is equals to beta 1 IB by 2. Similarly, IC2 is equals to beta 2 IB by 2. Now we know that IC is equals to IC1 plus IC2. Okay, so here I can write the value of IC1 and IC2, that is beta 1, that is beta 1 IB by 2 plus beta 2 IB by 2. So beta 1 and beta 2 are given equal, and that is given equal to 50. Okay, or if you have doubt, you can write beta 1 is equals to beta 2 is equals to beta, and beta if I take common, this will become IB, and beta is given 50. So if I write IC by IB is equals to, how much it will come? It will come 50. So this is the beta. IC by IB is the beta. So this is the beta for this given circuit. IC by IB is equals to 50. So for this given circuit, total beta is 50. So from this derivation, one conclusion comes कि number of BJT if you connect in parallel and if all the BJTs are having same beta, then total circuit, the beta of total circuit will remain the same as it is having one individual transistor beta. So beta is 50 and single transistor beta is also 50. So and overall circuit means two transistor connecting in parallel, that is also having same beta. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.